she referred me QSpider. I have chosen a Java full stack development course in QSpider. My first class is conducted by Sankit sir, which is SQL class. It was so engaging and he taught the concept in very simple and clear way. And Nandi sir, he taught me Core Java and the explanation was very clear and he made Java very easy. The next class was web technology, which is conducted by Tamil Selvan sir. His way of teaching is very nice and the practical sessions was made web technology very easy. Then the mock interview is conducted and presentation helped me to improve my confidence and it helped me to crack the interviews.